Hello children, welcome to Kyalakam Memorial CBSE School online classes. Today onwards I am going to engage your EVS classes, and I came to know that already second sem EVS 9 lessons have completed by Kirti Miss. So next lesson number 10, I will start. The sky above us. This lesson number 10 will start today. The sky above us. What is meant by it? The sky above us. The meaning is the material or the layer which is present above us, that is known as sky. Yes, you know already, you have recite many poems related to sky. Twinkle twinkle little star. So all stars are present in sky. All the solar bodies, many things, they are present in sky. So today let us read or study about the new lesson, that is the sky above us. So where is the sky then? It is above us. We are present on the earth. Earth is our planet. Okay? And the sky is above us. Let us learn about. In this lesson what we are going to learn is about sun. What is sun? Sun is a star, is the star. Okay. Then about moon. Who is moon? What is the moon? That all things we will learn. And the stars. What are stars? Where these are located? Which is the nearest star for us? Everything we will learn. Remember, look at the picture and fill in the blanks. We see dash during the day. During the day what we will see? We will see sun. We see the sun during the day. You have to write here the sun. We see dash and dash at night. The moon and the stars. We see the moon and the stars at night. Let me read this paragraph. The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. During the day, we may see clouds, the sun, birds and aeroplanes in the sky. At night, we can see the moon and the stars. Sometimes, after the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow consists of 7 colors. They are explaining that in daytime and the night time, how the sky is looking like. So daytime you may observe that how the sky is looking like. What will be present in the sky? The sky above us looks different during the day and night. So night it will look like different thing, and daytime also it looks like something. During the day, how it will look? During the day, we may see clouds, birds, the sun and the aeroplanes moving on the sky. These all things it is visible in the daytime. At night, we can see the moon in the sky and the stars in the skies. Sometimes after the rain, it may be daytime. After rain, what will happen? We will observe the rainbow on sky. So what is rainbow? It is the structure with 7 colors. Rainbow consists of 7 different colors. Next come to the point sun. In this, what the words we read out? I'll write it here. Sky, different, night, clouds, sun, boards, aeroplane, moon, stars, rain, rainbow, consists, colors. These words we observed in this paragraph. S-K-Y, sky, D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T, different, N-I-G-H-T, night, C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds, S-U-N, sun, B-I-R-D-S, birds, A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-T-S, aeroplanes, M-O-O-N, moon, S-T-A-R-S, stars, R-A-I-N, rain, R-A-I-N-B-O-W, rainbow, C-O-N-S-I-S-T-S, consists, C-L-O-U-R-S, colors. These words we observed in this paragraph. Next, let us know about sun. The sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. Sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. So what is sun? Sun is a giant, means big yellow ball made of hot gases. In this, what are all the gases are present? Those all are very hot. Okay, the sun made of very hot gases. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. See, because of its hotness, it is made of hot gases, so that the sun produces the heat and the light to the another bodies. Means the sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun gives heat, light and energy. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If you know the directions of the earth, there are 4 directions. East, where the sun rises, opposite of it, west, where sun sets, and the top one is north and the down one is south. Okay. East, here the sun will rise, and west, sun will set. Sunsets and sunrise. Understood? Where the sun rises? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one, the sun rises in the dash. In bracket they have given east and west. Page number 146. This one. Fill in the blanks. First question. The sun rises in the east. Answer is east. First blank, answer is east. The sun rises in the east. Second one, the dash is a yellow ball made up of hot gases. You know already, that is sun. The sun is a yellow ball made up of hot gases. Third one, the sun gives us heat or water. Sun gives us already, we told that. Sun gives us heat, light and energy. Answer is heat. Let's go to the time to answer. Write true for true and F for false for the following statements. First one, we see the moon in the sky during the day. We see the moon. We see the moon in the sky during the day. We observe moon during the day? No. We see the moon during the night. Then this statement is false. First one is false. You just write F. Second one, we see different shapes of the moon every night. Every night we will see the different shapes of moon. Yes, this is true. 3. We see the moon on every night. We see the moon on every night. So false. Okay. Let me read again these lines. The sky above us. We see the sun during the day. We see the moon and the stars at night. The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. I will read. You just keep your finger on the lines where I am reading and you too read with me. Okay? The sky above us looks different during the day and at night. During the day, we may see clouds, the sun, birds and aeroplanes in the sky. At night, we can see the moon and the stars. Sometimes, after the rain, we see a rainbow in the sky. Rainbow consists of 7 colors. Sun. The sun is a giant yellow ball made of hot gases. The sun gives us heat, light and energy. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Giant meaning G-I-A-N-T. Giant meaning very large and powerful. Time to answer. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The sun rises in the east. The dash is a yellow ball made up of hot gases. The sun is a yellow ball made up of hot gases. The sun gives us heat. Let's read about moon. M-O-O-N, moon. At night, we can see the moon in the sky. So when we will observe the moon, we will observe the moon at night, every day. At night we can see the moon in the sky. We see different shapes of the moon on different nights. Yes, in different nights, different shapes of moons can be available to observe. On some nights we cannot see the moon at all. Yes, some nights we cannot see the moon at all because that will be new moon day. New moon day it is Amavasya. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. So that day will be very dark in the night. ಬಹಳ ಕತ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅವತ್ತು. Because we will not observe the moon in new moon days. New moon day ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಮಾವಾಸ್ಯ. So full moon day ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹುಣ್ಣಿಮೆ. So in full moon day, so moon will be in full, like spherical or like ball. Yes. So moon is present in the sky. At night we can see the moon in the sky. We see different shapes of the moon on different nights. And sometimes, some nights we cannot see the moon at all, because that day will be the new moon day. New moon day is new moon day means in Kannada Amavasya. That day we cannot observe the moon. So full moon day, that is Hunnime. That day we can observe the moon in whole round color, round shape. So true or false, already I told you. We see the moon in the sky during the day. True. True? No, false. We see the moon in the sky during the day. It is false. We see different shapes of the moon every night. True? We see the moon on every night. No, it is false. Tomorrow I will discuss about stars. Okay? And we will solve the exercise also. Okay? Till this, read this lesson. How much I have taught today, that much read 2 times. You all are good students. I know that you will read it. Keep your finger on the word where you are reading and read it loudly. Okay? Thank you.